What's up, guys? I'm drinking the Jungle Bird. This drink will sneak up and get you if you're not careful. I hope you guys skip the buzz and get drunk with Dunc. Cheers. We need our dark rum. We need our Campari, Luxardo cherry, our Demerara simple syrup. We need a lime and pineapple juice. All right, guys, for the Jungle Bird, we're going to start with a half ounce of lime juice. Then we're doing a half ounce of Demerara simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of Campari, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, which I just squeezed the other day. It's like nectar, so good. And then we're doing 2 ounces of dark rum. Then we're going to add our ice and shake. Then we're going to take our rocks glass that we just chilled. We're going to add our nice crushed ice. Whoops, making a mess. And then we're just going to strain it into the glass.